Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. You need to set up bank alerts now. Here's a tip that might save your bacon. Set up withdrawal alerts on your bank accounts. Many banks will send you an email alert whenever money is withdrawn from your checking account, savings account, debit card, or any kind of transfer. Setting up these alerts will allow you to spot and report fraudulent activity before the money has already been shipped into a cybercriminal's hands. Next, require dual-factor authentication to access your bank account. Most banks will have this as a security setting for your account. That simply means when you try to log in, you will be asked to enter a 4 or 5-digit code sent to your mobile phone or personal email. This will prevent a hacker from getting in even if they crack your password. Please click on the subscribe button located up here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.